Welcome to 7440 Trovita Road, The Groves, Land O'Lakes, Florida. Linda Nowicke and the Tampa Realty Now team proudly present this one-story, 1,332 square foot maintenance-free villa featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and a screened lanai, all located on a scenic pond in the Groves, a gated, active 55-plus golf community. The gated courtyard welcomes you into a screened entry and sitting area. The foyer leads into the open floor plan with views all the way out through the lanai and to the pond beyond. The efficiently designed kitchen features ample cabinets and counter space, a full appliance package, tile backsplash, and reverse osmosis. The kitchen is open to the dining space and great room plan with easy care bamboo floors, designer lighting, and ceiling fans. A special feature is the remote-controlled, completely retractable SONY professional theater projection system, a $30,000 value. The spacious master bedroom offers a bay window with views to the pond and a designer ceiling fan. The master bath features quartz counters, dual sinks, large walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. The guest bedroom offers an adjacent full bath with quartz counters. Enjoy your morning coffee or a cool beverage from your extended brick paver lanai with conservation and pond views with no rear neighbors. The home features a newer 3-ton AC system with a UV light that has a transferable warranty. The HOA fee includes basic cable, building exterior and landscape maintenance, roof replacement, and access to all the Grove's fantastic amenities. Drive your golf cart to the pro shop in the 15,000 square foot clubhouse with a full-service restaurant, fitness center, community party room, heated saltwater pool and spa, bocce ball, tennis courts, shuffleboard, a dog park, pickleball, an aqua driving range, putting green, and a Publix located at the entrance to the community. Enjoy the Grove's social and travel clubs and 18 holes of golf. 7440 Trovita Road, your new home in the Groves, Land O'Lakes, Florida. For more information, please call your Tampa Realtor, Linda Nowicke, at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.